Feel free to return to my Coin Lady channel at any time. We're still tracking Bitcoin, but XRP had a somewhat good day and is now sitting at $2.44. At the moment, XRP's chart is more appealing than Bitcoin's, but when you enlarge the Bitcoin chart, you'll notice that if the price reaches 100,000, it begins to go back down again. As far as I'm concerned, that is a result of price manipulation. When Bitcoin's value declines, XRP and the market as a whole also fall, at least until a catalyst comes along to reverse the trend. People are still reeling from it all right now. In light of the current meltdown and the pessimism surrounding XRP, I believe we are in the believing phase, which indicates that we need to reach new heights. How do you feel about this? I believe that is where we are currently holding our breath, hoping for that breakthrough moment. It seems like a lot of you think I'm changing the rules, Rich. It looked like December was going to be a fantastic month for XRP, just like you said, Rich. The old season, you mentioned, would be visible in January. The consensus among experts was unanimous, it would happen. I believe the current situation is caused by manipulating Bitcoin prices, which is delaying the season. Finally, the most frequently asked question in the cryptocurrency industry, was the previous season cancelled, was brilliantly addressed in this piece by trader Mario. That's the current storyline, and I believe it's propagated by many Bitcoin maxes. Once the old season begins, Bitcoin isn't seen for another 4 years. We're seeing the lack of an altcoin season since there are so many new coins, but the main reason is different. Bitcoin always dashes the momentum of Ethereum, or any big story, spoiling the fun. During the last bull run, Bitcoin's production cost was $30,000 today, after the halving it has climbed to $90,000 more. This explains why Bitcoin has bounced off to $90,000 support level 3 times. We are still trading near the production cost, and Bitcoin requires liquidity to keep miners profitable and sustain Bitcoin's price above production cost. Due to the fact that rate cuts and money printing are not bringing in any fresh liquidity, miners are turning to other tactics, such as stifling Ethereum price holders and stakers and using hype-driven narratives to extract liquidity. So when will alt season start? Once new liquidity enters the market, through rate cuts, money printing, or alt ETFs, like an XRP ETF. I even seen where people are thinking XRP is going to lead us into alt season. I'm telling you right now, those XRP ETFs, they're going to gain a lot of momentum from institutional investors. The institutional investors know what XRP is capable of. They know its use case and its utility. That may be what starts all season. But it's not that I'm changing the goalpost. We should officially be in alt season by now, and according to current predictions, alt season will start in February. However, this won't happen until Bitcoin experiences one final surge, or additional liquidity enters the market. Well, it looks like we're in for a few more weeks of sideways progress. An alternative season is in the works. According to my understanding, it is simply experiencing a delay. This is irrelevant in the instance of Ripple versus SEC. That will not be an obstacle for XRP to overcome. In 2021, when the Ripple versus SEC case was still in its infancy, investors were hesitant to put their money into XRP. What's more, we were unaware that it had been delisted from all the exchanges, concerning whether XRP is considered a security. Given that XRP is not and will not be a security, I do not believe that the Ripple versus SEC case will hinder us in any way this season. Here we are in 2025, and we are back on the major exchanges. To be more specific, I believe that we would be able to achieve higher levels throughout alt season if the Ripple versus SEC case were to conclude. That is to say, if you think XRP will reach $20 when that case concludes, you might think we'll go to $27 or $33, because everyone says that would cause us to rise anywhere from $7 to $13, allowing us to still go higher. Take into consideration the ETFs and all of that thereafter. Furthermore, the teacher explains, have patience. Time to welcome in the new season. Altseason used to start in February in earlier cycles. Will it really take place in February? They expected this cycle to begin in December since they assumed it was going to happen sooner rather than later. I believe that was because XRP's price rose faster than expected. Some people still believe that XRP should be resting at 50 or 60 cents, but Ripple is looking at the bigger picture. $5 trillion. If the market reaction to XRP is as projected, its price might skyrocket to $22. Recall that Brad Garlinghouse predicted that the total market valuation of all cryptocurrencies will be $5 trillion. For all intents and purposes, that is going to be XRP's market cap. Does that market cap seem achievable for XRP now? Well, there are a few ways it could happen: exchange-traded funds, Ripple, initial public offering, etc. Even though there are a lot of variables to consider, the XRP price has the potential to increase from $8.77 to $17.54 if the market size were to reach $5 trillion. It's possible to spend $22 instead of $17.54. Is it possible to increase the hype now? This space can, of course, consider the possibility of institutional investment. This area might see a rapid influx of capital if that happens. Just when do you think that will take place? We still have no idea. More information about the XRP rich list will be available if those ETFs are authorized or come online. Many are purchasing XRP, and its accumulation is continuing at a rapid pace. Here it is for you to see. Consider the exponential growth in the number of wallets containing 100 XRP or more during the past 12 months. For what reasons is this matter of interest? To be sure, Bitcoin and ETH don't work that way. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are losing user interest. They are investing in XRP because, as any sane person can tell you, XRP has a tendency to run when it wants to, and we are still in the midst of its 2017 to 2018 run. So it's not going to make as much money as Bitcoin or Ethereum. We are continuing that pattern. As a result, XRP might stage a precipitous surge. When it happens, I believe it will be a watershed moment in history. I appreciate you taking the time to view my video. Subscribing and liking my channel would mean the world to me. Bye for now.